Hi, it's Melissa, and this is my membership minute for October the 16th. And I have some important announcements for you this week, so let's get right to them. The first one is that we have our live monthly indulgence class this Sunday, and I'm so looking forward to spending that time with you this Sunday. It's going to be a wonderful class on stillness, and I'll just show you, you know what, should I show you where it is in the membership community? You know what? I'm not going to show you because let me tell you why I won't. Because I'm going to send you another video tomorrow. And the links are all in the show notes, and the links will all still work. It's just that tomorrow, Tim and I are going to be doing some pretty major moving around of the furniture in the forum in anticipation of moving over to our new site. So there's kind of two parts to the new site. One is the dashboard, which you'll see where all the videos are, and the other is the forum. And right now where our forum exists, it's called the Bulletin. And we're going to be moving over to new forum software that's much more like Facebook and Instagram, where you tag people and things like that. It's more user-friendly. It's just a platform that you're more used to. It's going to be more like you're used to using in a lot of different other social platforms. So it's more social, and you'll be more used to. It's easier to use. So in preparation for that, we're going to be moving the furniture around quite a bit. So tomorrow I'll send you another video that will give you a guided tour of what I've moved around, and maybe I'll talk a little bit about why. And then our next step will be to actually move the forum, all the content from this forum over to the other new forum and see how that goes. And once that goes, we'll probably just switch over to the new forum. And then the intention is on November 1st, we'll switch over to everything new, the new site, the new forum, everything will be new. Yeah, so the other thing that I wanted to let you know was yesterday in the live meditation classes, I made some announcements about the changes to that format as well. So I know the only person that likes change is a baby with a dirty diaper. So I'm sorry to push all this change on you right now, but it is all going to be for the best. So the live meditation, Monday meditation classes, I meant to look up how long we've been doing that for, but it's been about 2.5 years that we've been doing that format for. And it's been an open format, anybody can come. And we'll continue to have live classes once a month for the indulgence classes that anybody can come to, the open format. What we're going to be doing is changing the Monday classes to courses. We're going to be calling them courses. Is going to be closed. It's going to be by application. They're going to run 4 weeks at a time, and then there'll be 2 weeks off, and then there'll be 4 weeks. So the intention here is to serve the advanced students in our community. We have a lot of content that sits at the intermediate level. We have some content that is for the beginners, but what I really want to be able to do is mentor and serve the advanced students. So what we will do is you can choose to apply. There'll be some prerequisites. And if you meet the criteria, then you will be allowed to come into this closed forum where we will be doing advanced studies on certain topics. So yeah, I don't know if there's anything more I want to say about that right now. I will be putting out the first one probably with the new site on the 1st so that you'll be able to see the application. The application will be private between you and me. And that application, the first step of that is very much about taking that step into that advanced student role. And it's a very serious step to take that role of being an advanced student and looking at your reasons for wanting to step into the advanced studies. So with that being said, I also just, below are all the dates that are coming up because there are going to be some things changing. So let me just go over the dates, and these will all be in the show notes. So For the next 2 weeks, we'll be running the live meditation classes as normal. The 22nd and the 29th, they'll still be open. So if you've been wanting to come to them and you haven't come yet, and or you come and you sometimes come and you don't come, the next 2 weeks are open. Feel free to come. We'd love to have you. November the 1st will be the launch of the new website, and we're very much looking forward to that. November 4th, the clocks fall back here in Victoria, BC. So just to take note of that in class times. November 5th, I will be doing new site tours at 9:30 a.m. Pacific time and 4 p.m. Pacific time. November 12th, I'm going to be doing new site tours as well, 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. As we roll out the new site, I'll be looking at, what's most needed. What do people need to know about finding their way around? Because by the 5th, we'll do a new site tour. I'll be able to show people around. By the 12th, we'll really know kind of where people's stumbling blocks are, and I'll be able to really clarify. November 19th, there will be no classes. And then November 26th will be the start of the first advanced yoga and meditation study course, which is by approval of application only, and it will be closed live classes and forum, which you'll be able to enter with a password that will be given, and it will be limited to 12 people. These will be at 9:30 and 4 p.m. Pacific as well. And then there will be no classes the 24th and the 31st. So those are some dates that are coming up. And so we have the Indulgence this Sunday, open, everybody come. Live classes, meditation classes the next 2 Mondays, and then you'll be seeing me again tomorrow with a guided tour of the pre-move, where we just think about it as moving the furniture around in preparation. So thank you so much for your patience and for your presence here. It means the world to us, and your support. And I really look forward to being able to practice together in this new space, which is just going to be so much more easy to use. So I hope to see as many of you as possible on Sunday. Namaste.